Hi students, welcome back to our IT class. In the last class, we had started our sixth chapter, Data Analysis Made Easy. Right, today we are going to continue the lesson. Okay, did you remember the table we had created in the last class? This is our table. Let's format this table. Okay, see, this is the heading. So, we must hide these separations of the cells and make it as a single cell. Okay, for that, select the entire row. Okay, then go to Format menu, Merge Cells, again Merge Cells. See, it becomes a single row. Now, we want to move this heading to the center. Okay, for that bring the cursor here and put space. Okay, if we align this heading to the center using center tool, then it will go to the center of the sheet. Okay, now I am making the heading bold and increasing the size. Okay, give color to the font. Now the heading is more attractive. See, like this we can do the other formatting as well. Look at the second row. Okay, here we can see the headings. To arrange each heading and its content to the center, we can use the align center tool. Okay, for that click on each column, select each column and align it at the center. Next, we want to increase the width of some columns to see the heading completely. For that, see here I want to increase the width. So, place the cursor between the column header C and D. When the mouse pointer changes to double arrow, click and drag to the appropriate width. Okay. Note that to increase the width, we have to place the mouse pointer between the column headers. Okay. In a similar manner, if we want, we can change the width of the rows also. For that, we have to place the mouse pointer between two row headers and click and drag the cell to appropriate width. Is it clear to you now? See here, one of the house name is not completely seen. So, again we have to increase the width. Okay. See the next heading, quantity of vegetables. Okay, this is common for these four headings, that is spinach, cucumber, lady's finger, beans and others. So, we have to hide these separation of the cells. For that, as before, first we have to select the corresponding cells. Okay, I am selecting the cells, then go to Format menu, Merge Cells, again Merge Cells. See, okay, this heading becomes the common heading to all these items. Clear? Next, we want to increase the size of all these headings. So, select the entire row and take a suitable font size. Okay. Now, if we want to delete this column, right click on the column header and delete columns. See, the column disappears. Next, we want to change the color of the font. For that, click on the first row, that is row header, and press the shift key and click on the last row header. Now all the contents become selected. Then select a suitable color to the font. Now if you want to give background color, select the entire table. Then select any suitable background color. See, Now our table becomes more attractive. Okay. Our next and important activity is to find the total here. The total of spinach, cucumber, lady's finger, beans and others. For that, click on the first cell, then click on this function sum, okay, and press the enter key. See, once more, click on the sum function after selecting the first cell. Then we will get the sum of all these cells. Clear? Next, we want to find the total of all these cells. For that, use the fill handle tool. That is, select the first cell, then place the cursor or the mouse pointer on the bottom right corner of the cell. Then the mouse pointer becomes a plus sign. At that time, click and drag the mouse pointer to the enter column. We can use this fill handle to add the serial number also. Okay, type 1 in the first cell, then use the fill handle tool, click and drag the mouse. We will get the serial numbers. Clear? Okay children, today's class is over. We will continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you.